Hello everyone. First of all, I want to say sorry. Because of some special reasons, I was not able to upload the videos. So, we begin our journey again with a new energetic story. This is the story of a poor boy whose mother was a cook for the owner of the plantations. He had first to go to the shortcut from 4 am to 9 am each morning, and after working there he went to school. At his second job in a coal mine, he heard two fellow workers discuss the Hampton Institute, a school for former slavers in southeast Virginia. It is the first time when he found out that is a more than better school for colored people in the comparison of a school which is situated in his town. As if he talked about the school, the image was created in his mind. It is the world's most beautiful place, especially for him, because he wanted to take education. He was decided, he went there. He didn't know how, but the huge fire is burnt in his mind. He went for his mother, but she thought that is a stupid decision because he is a black person and it is useless for him, but she permitted him. He had not enough money. His brother was help him, but it is not a sufficient. He know he had not a money for purchase of clothes and for his traveling. But finally, he left his house. At that time, his mother was very ill, and he know very well he will never meet her again. But his mother was very brave. Hampton from Malden is far from 500 miles, and he covered this distance to walk, asking for ride in vehicles. He was reached his destination, but he spent his all money. At night, he went there where he wanted. He wanted a shelter, but everyone asked for money from him. The survive in the new and strange city is very critical for him. He was roaming in the streets, but at last he reached the footpath and made pillow of his bag and lay. At the next morning, he realized that the huge ship was stand and the pig iron was get up from the ship. He was feel fresh, but he is hungry. He asked the captain of ship that he work on this ship. He is white man but kind heart person, so he permit him. After a work, he give him payment, and he also liked the work of boy, so he said, "If you work as it, I always give you money." He agreed with him, and when he had sufficient money for his journey, he went for the captain and said thanks. He reached the school, feel that he won a great reward. He met the principal of school, but his looking condition is to cost doubt. He was not take his admission or not reject him, and the boy feels sad when other boys find admission and he was not. The head teacher come and told him recitation room was dirty, so you clean it. The little boy didn't feel hesitation and very perfectly he cleaned the room. When the head teacher come back, she checked many times. At last, she used her handkerchief and scrubbed, but she was not found a small particle of dust. And finally, she was select him. And one day, this younger boy become a great personality.